Do you know what I love more than making money? Saving time, which is better than money. So in this video, I have made a list of 5 super innovative, super fresh extensions that you can use for free, and I'm about to save you hundreds of hours weekly from things you do and you hate, and give you the opportunity to use that time to make more money. So if you're ready to save tons of time this week, this video is for you. First extension is Immersive Translate. It's something that really takes translation in everything you do online into a next level. Forget Google Translate and all that prehistoric BS. All you gotta do is choose your browser, install it for free. Within a few seconds, you're gonna see the sign right here that you need to enable, like you do with every single extension. And then you can select the language that you would like to translate from, to select different translation models from the ones that you see right here in the list. And Immersive Translate does the work from you paragraph by paragraph, line by line, so you can see it live and understand exactly what is the meaning of what you're reading, right? And you can do the same with YouTube. That is even more impressive. All you have to do is enable auto bilingual options right here, because as you know, YouTube most of the times does auto-translate, it's not accurate. You don't have the option in most videos to have multiple languages, and as you see right here, you have a huge list of all potential translations, but also for every video usage. Netflix, YouTube, in courses, websites, everything. You see the full list right here. So you can enjoy and watch YouTube in your native language, but also if you want to download the subtitles and maybe transcribe the video so you can use it for whatever you would like. You can do it right here that says download subtitles. The other feature that I absolutely love is translating PDFs piece by piece, again in any language that you want. So just upload any file right here, and as you see, it opens the 2 PDFs in parallel, and you can see them side by side, understanding exactly what is being translated. And of course, you can do that in every possible language, even in Zulu. You can do the same with EPUB files, again by selecting them, opening them natively on your laptop, choosing the language you want to translate to, and get it instantly on your screen, translated paragraph by paragraph. Another cool feature is this one. You can enable the hover translation option, which means that every single time that you have your mouse over a paragraph or a line, you see instantly the translation below, like here. But I'm trying to read those Chinese dishes and I have no clue what I'm seeing exactly. So the whole thing becomes too effortless for me. Even when I'm trying to search something online, you see here my Google bar, right? It translates instantly in the language that I have selected, my search into another language, so I can have more searches in other language, and of course I can translate them again with Immersive Translate. And probably my most beloved feature is this one, that you can go to any social media, any website, and you can translate any image instantly, like the one that you see right here on Instagram, for example, and you see the graphic translated with the language you have selected. You can have a snapshot of the image and use it for your own purpose. Or here, browse on the Chinese Twitter like I'm a native one, right? You see that every single post is being translated in front of me without having to go to every single post and try to translate it. Sometimes it doesn't work, and so on and so forth. If you want to try it yourself, check the description below. A second extension that will save you tons of time is PDF AI. Completely for free. You can install it again in your browser on the top right, and then you can upload any PDF document and talk with it like you're opening a ChatGPT, focusing only on this PDF. As you see right here, I have a medical research paper, which is 13 pages long, and I can ask about the overview, the summary of the PDF document, something that ChatGPT will not do for you. It will give me the overview, the key points, and I can keep asking whatever I want, right? Like, what is the further research that needs to be done based on this research paper? And PDF AI will give me the answers that I want. How cool is that? The next one will help you master your day. And it's like hiring a virtual assistant who is working in the background all the time, waiting for your next command. This extension is called Voila, and you can say, voila, my assistant, right? And it has multi different purposes and usages, as you see right here. You can ask anything you want, like help me create a content calendar for the month ahead. After, of course, you install it on your browser. So no matter where you are, you can open a window and start interacting with them. One of the coolest features feature is that you can use it when you are on Gmail, for example, and ask to reply to a specific email positively. Like, for example, going here and say, like this media review request, for example, where you say, please say yes, respond positively. Voila, writes the answer for you. You can embed it in your email, and that's it. You just saved 5 minutes, right? Or if you're not a native speaker, you can ask it to improve your writing in a document that you have open in Google Docs, for example. So rephrase, write it better, make your sentence longer, whatever you want. It's an assistant that is there for you in every task that you perform. Same with summarizing a web page. No matter where you are, you just go to Voila and you ask it to summarize what exactly you're looking right here. Like with this Wikipedia page, with just a single command. Or summarize a YouTube video that you don't have time to watch entirely. Again, you go on the top right, you select within the library of commands or you write something, and here's your summary effortlessly. Absolutely love it. Or if your browser looks like a digital jungle, like mine, with multiple tabs open that destroy your RAM, this turns your chaotic tabs into organized visual boards instantly. And you can group tabs by project, save sessions, and instantly reopen everything when you're ready to work again, without losing the selection of websites that you had opened before. So instead of leaving 20 tabs open 24/7 and slowing down your laptop, Toby keeps your workspaces neat, organized for a cleaner laptop and a cleaner mind. And finally, Cider AI. This is for the power users, like me, because it lets you access multiple AI tools on a sidebar that opens every single time that you use it. So lets you access GPT-4, Claude, Bard, even image generators from any web page. You don't have to copy paste anything, just highlight any text, open the Cider and ask away like explain this code, summarize this page, rewrite this paragraph, and it will do it for you. The coolest part, you choose the model, GPT for writing, Claude for summaries, Bard for research, and so on and so forth. And it's like having your own panel of different experts in different fields at your finger snap every single time you click the extension icon. Give it a try, you're gonna absolutely love it.